Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you guys, it's something simple and it's something quick, but it makes a big difference in long-term reliability and longevity of your rigs on Hive. So I've been running USB drives for my operating system on Hive for a long time. It works, but it has its shortcomings, mainly whenever you need to do driver updates, restart the rig, or also update the actual Hive OS operating system. Those USB drives sometimes are so slow that it'll actually fail and it won't update or upgrade, or it'll get caught in between and it'll have a problem. I've had them corrupt, all kinds of stuff. I keep tons of extra flash drives on hand, but it's time to finally upgrade to SSDs. Even cheap 60, 120 gigabyte SSDs is plenty. So yeah, you end up having a lot faster reboots. You don't have those upgrade or driver update issues where they take forever and you're like, is it working, is it not working? And then people end up turning their rig off and it corrupts it because it's in the middle of an update. So the first thing we are going to need is, you're going to need a computer and an SSD drive. So here is my SSD drive right there. It's 120 gigabyte ADATA. I have it plugged into an external reader, so I can unplug and plug that drive back in right there, or you can plug that drive inside your computer. I do like these, and I'll have a link down below for this one. It accepts all the way up to 3.5 inch big boy hard drives, and it's hot swappable, so you can just unplug and plug it back in, and it just goes in through a USB. So super simple. Once you plug that in right there, then we're going to go on over to the actual software side. So the software I like using is Valencia Etcher. I'll put a link down below for their website so you can grab that. Then you're going to need to flash from file, and you'll need your Hive install or disk image file, which is an IMG image file. So I'll put a link down below for the most current Hive download. So you're going to click that, you click open, then that's selected right there. Then you need to select your target. You have to be very careful you don't select one of your drives that your operating system's on or something like that. Mine is the external USB 3.0 disk device, 240 gigabyte large drive. Yeah, so that's it. Now the hidden ones are the drives that are in my actual system. See, they say system drives. Don't click those, that's bad. Once you have that selected, you go onwards and then you click flash. You are about to erase an unusually large drive, because most of the time people use this etcher for something small. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and yes, I'm sure. Sorry about that. Now this will take a second because this is a 7.5 gig flash. But if you've ever done it on a USB drive, you know it takes significantly longer. So I'll be back once it's done. Alright guys, so after it's done flashing, it'll validate, then it'll go to finishing, and it'll do either a flash was not successful or flash was complete. If your flash is complete, what you'll need to do then is, typically what I like to do is turn off and turn on my external drive holder. So I'll turn that off, turn it back on. And once you do that, your actual Hive drive will pop up. Before you do that, sometimes on some computers this will pop up, sometimes it won't. This is your Hive drive where you drop your rig.config file into. If you don't know what the rig.config file is, it sounds like you don't know how to use Hive. So I'll put a link down below on how to use Hive OS for mining. So it's a really powerful software, and it works really good for like reliability and that kind of thing. Whereas like Windows, you got random updates happening. Hive is just strictly for mining, nothing else. So once you have your rig.config in there, then, hold on, let me go grab mine real quick. To find your rig.config, you click on the actual miner you're looking for. So I'm gonna do rig 6 right now. Then I'm gonna go to settings, and then from here there is the rig.config. So you can click that and it starts downloading it down here. So you see how I've downloaded a bunch of them in the past, so it puts parentheses 16. Well, I'll show you what you gotta do, because that's a problem. So we're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna go back over to our Hive drive. So Hive, and we're gonna paste that into there, right? But it's got the parentheses 16. We got to take that out. It's got to be just rig.conf, nothing else. So once that's good to go, we're gonna go ahead and power down our USB adapter and then grab that drive. All right guys, so I powered this rig down fully and I went ahead and plugged in my SATA drive straight to the motherboard and then straight from power from my ATX power supply. I'll just tuck this like right up in there somewhere. It really doesn't need to go anywhere special. We could just kind of, yeah, right about there. That's a good spot for it. We will need to unplug this USB drive right here because we're not going to be firing off that no more. Then let's power her up. So power, and there's the next one. There's another button in here. Oh my goodness. I don't power this one on and off very much. There we go. And then flip the switch on this one. And then hit this right here. And they're alive. Okay. So let's go see if it powers up and if we're working. Alright guys, and there you have it. All my cards are back up online. Rig number 6. And then if you go down to the bottom, you can actually see disk model is the ATAA data 240 gigabyte SSD. So we are back in business, ladies and gentlemen. Feels good. Feels real good. So if you are running on USBs, this may help you out. Just check it out. If you're on SSDs, I'd also like to know. So what do you guys run? Please comment down below. Let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.